Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing very well. Hello. Let me know how the audio is, by the way. I haven't streamed in a while. I don't know if it sounds okay. You'll have to let me know if the music's too loud or too quiet. Anyway, hey guys, I'm very cool. 152, hello. Chezzy or Cheesy, hello. Coda, hello. Totally Talaton? Totally Talaton, there we go, hello. Hey guys. Bring back 2021, I'll be greater. What does that even mean? Hello, Squish. It's funny. Oh my gosh, the chat is too fast. Alright. Hello guys, welcome. This is part 9 of making a Roblox game. For any of you that are watching the first 8 parts, we started making this game, and actually the game is now public. I've actually opened it. Let me open up my screen so you guys can see me. Hold on. Alright, here I am. Cool. So, I'm on Whirlpool. I'll be going to merch out now. But I started working on this game here. It's this one. Classic Games. And yeah, I've just got it open now. Before it wasn't open. But if you guys ever want to play this game, it is open. So feel free. But yeah, I'm going to be working on it during the streams. Let me open it up in Studio. I will not be doing anything Obby Creator related, by the way. This is not Obby Creator. Hey C1, welcome. Let me just make sure Studio is appearing. Hold on. Okay, there we go. There's so many things open. I've got to remember what we were doing. It's been kind of long. Stop streaming at 9 or 10 PM. It's not. It's 3 PM. What do you mean? This stream... Oh yeah, but this stream, guys, is going to be probably like 3 hours long. I think. Probably like 2 or 3 hours. Profile badges. That is Obby Creator. This is not an Obby Creator stream. Gosh damn it. Hey, 74 people. Welcome, guys. Yeah, the recent video kind of went slightly insane. Let me show you guys. Usually I don't get that many views on my videos. Look at this one. I mean, you guys probably might have seen it already. Let me... Hold on. Ram. Look at this thing. You guys see that? Yeah. What happened to this video? Yeah, the title and I don't know. It got picked up. It's 13 more views than usual. Typically I only get 58,000. No, usually I get like 5, and so it's on 63 now. Kind of crazy. Let me see if I can show you guys There's a really funny graph that shows, like, my views this month. This is so silly. Look at it. If I should go to the last 300, the last year, it's like, what is this? This was that one video. I think it's like the most I've ever had. Yeah, look how small all of these are. And then just went, blop. Also, money leak, I guess, but this is over the last, what, 10 years? That's really not that crazy. Yeah, slightly ridiculous. Anyway, I just thought it was funny. Right. Yeah, that video went kind of insane. So thank you for the support, guys. I really appreciate it. Yeah, it got some crazy subscribers and stuff. While eating your cereal. I watch YouTube while eating my cereal too. For the same. Okay, so for those of you guys who don't know what this game is, I will just give it a play. Basically, it's different game modes, and they're basically like classic games. So far I've built sword fighting, and also paintball. We made this UI, which was cool. We've got this little leaderboard section, which I wanted to work on, I think. Or does it work now? I think it just works now. Yeah. I don't remember making that work. I guess I did. Oh, wow, look how satisfying that is. Okay. Forgot that we made that. Really, we got sword fighting, we got paintball. Since last time I streamed, it now has this teleporting thing. I need to make it so that if you jump, it doesn't stop. This is something I'm going to do immediately. But yeah, we've got the teleporting text now. It says that it's going to start. Then it will teleport you. It won't do that because it's in studio. Someone says that paintball is broken, so I guess we'll have a look at that as well. Add a rocket arena map. Why is paintball broken? Alright, we'll have to check out paintball in a minute and just make sure that it's not broken. But first, I want to make sure that you don't just jump. It doesn't... I think that you should be able to jump and it will not stop you. Wait, what is this? Why is it? Really? The positions aren't the same? Are you sure? Okay. Okay, weird. Okay, strange. Alright, there we go. Okay, first, yeah, that was a little tiny fix there. Look at us go. First, I just wanted to make sure that when you head onto these, you can not just jump and fall off. Should now work. Cool. I really like this UI. Whoever made this, they've done a good job. The paintball doesn't start the game. Alright, we got a little bug here by a Reflex. Apparently paintball doesn't start the game. I think it does, but let's check it out and see what goes on. I can. From Melon, I can. There's still sound effects you can buy with Mario coins. There aren't at the moment. Yeah, so I need to add that maybe. People who are on the stream and haven't been around for ages, that's fine. Welcome. But a few years ago, I used to stream a lot. Basically 2 years ago, I do quite a few streams. And when I did stream, I had these Mario coins, which you still have, but you could spend that and make the stream have noises and stuff. Not at the moment, though. Okay, so this person said that the game is broken, and I think the reason why they might be saying that is because you need more than one player. I think that's what they're saying. Let's head on to the game, actually. Let's have a little play session. Why not? Just so we remember what the game is, really, because I don't remember. So I'm going to open up this game. If you guys want to join. Paintball is broken. You can't get points. I have the flag and it doesn't work. Okay. Wait, let me fix that first. Hold on. Guys, don't join. Do not join. Oh, my Roblox crashed, I think. There we go. Okay, let me just fix the flag real quick. I think that I made a small change. Okay, so you guys will see what I'm on about. I made a small change to this paintball, which, first of all, now it has an intermission, which is cool. I somehow broke it already. Okay, let me fix that. I added an intermission thing because before it wasn't properly... before it wasn't properly, didn't have like an intermission. So I've added an intermission now, and let me just check the flag squish set that's broken. Once we fix this, then yeah, we'll play the game, guys. I think that'll be fun. Did you make it so you can only get points if your team flag is not captured? I don't know what that means, but you have to have your flag has to be there in order to capture the flag. Yeah. Right, let me quickly test this, and then we'll have a little game. Go away to move. Oh gosh. Oh. Okay, got the flag. Look at that. Now. Oops. Okay, yeah, there's an issue here. Line 91 of flag handler. Basically, I did a little update to this while you guys while I wasn't streaming, literally like a few days ago. And I just made, I don't know. Okay, weird, I don't know. What I could do is instead just do this. That's not a bug, it did work, so I don't know what's on with that. If handle still exists. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that should all work. Alright, let me make sure I shut down the servers real quick. And then let's have a game of paintball and make sure this works. I also changed something else, which was I made it that the paintball bullets are a little bit faster as well. It was going a bit slowly. So how do I think I just go here, right? Restart servers for updates. Oh, but that's 1 to 6 minutes. Sure, I'll just click that. Alrighty, if you guys want to join, feel free. We're just gonna have a little play to remember what we did. Oh, actually. Okay, yeah, today I was going to move on and work on the next game, but actually I think there is something that I need to add, which is the mobile sprint. There's no way to sprint on mobile. And also shift lock, I guess. Did I not add shift lock as well? Okay. I will have to do both of those. What the? This guy's a zombie. What the? How can you... What? Well, that's a weird... Okay. What? Okay. We'll make sure this works, but I think it does. Let me know if the game audio is kind of loud. Hey! What the? Wait. Okay, I remember now. We needed to make it so you couldn't just jump. Alright, goodbye, Squish. Honestly, just got destroyed. Whoop. Whoop. Oh gosh. No! Alright. It works, you just can't run on mobile, and I should probably make it so you can't spam jumping. Also, the paintball bullets are so loud. Okay. Also, the paintball sounds are too noisy. Well, they're all coming... I got my headphones on the wrong way round. That's why. Okay, there we go. No! Okay, we did it. Nice, guys. Okay. This is good. I think that... Oh, what a shot. Yeah, get it. Nice. Okay, this is cool. I think this is brilliant, actually. This is working very well. I made the map a little bit smaller. I moved the Oh! Destroyed. I moved the castles in as well. Is that XYZ Creeper? I think that's Creeper. Hey! Okay, I just hit him twice and it didn't work. Rigged game. Rigged game? No! Okay, I killed another guy. It is hard to steal a flag without dying. I mean, that's sort of the point of the game. Can't lie. But in a positive, the flags being dropped is good. I do need to add shift lock. Add shift lock too. I feel like people would ask for that a lot when they play it. In this one, problem with this is like, how do you sprint if it's maybe should I add? All right, guys, what do you think? Should I make control sprint and then shift lock, or what should I do? Because shift lock doesn't really work when shift is sprint. Nice. I also need to add a little hit indicator. Okay, there's a few things left to do on paintball. Oh! Okay, there's a few things left to do on paintball, but honestly, it's better that I've made the bullets faster. Guys. Hey! Okay, can't hit him at all. Yeah, don't just... He thought he was clever. He's like, I'm gonna dance on him, and then he got shot at the head. Hey, man. Hey! Woo! Honestly, this is really good. Add mobile shift lock, make control shift lock. I don't think I can do that, but I can make shift lock and control sprint. I don't think I can add shift lock onto it. It doesn't make sense to have shift lock on control. It doesn't make a lot of sense. How is this like sorted? Oh, it's sorted by flag captures. Right. It is called shift lock. I don't think I can change it to control. It doesn't control lock. Oh, we have a hacker. Okay. I'm waiting for Roblox to improve their hacking thing, because can't be adding anti-cheat to every game. Go away. A lot of games have shift for sprint and then move shift lock to control. Do you guys think that's better than having control? Because I could make control sprint. Wouldn't that make more sense? Or not? Well, I guess I feel like the average person will be more likely to want to sprint than to shift lock. I don't know. but that goes on my team. I'm so silly. Ow. Make you wear a blue vest when you're on your team. Yeah, and maybe it isn't the clearest as well. I think that, okay, there's a few things that I need to do. First of all, I need this player list to be sorted a bit differently. Like, captures are important, but kills are also quite important. Maybe a capture should be worth like 5 kills, right? Or something. And then these people would be up there, but so would this person. Hey! Hey, Naraya. Yeah, I need to add the kills and the captures. Okay, hang on, there's too many things to work on right now. Gosh. Okay, but honestly, this is a lot better than it was before. I remember playing this game before, and it was kind of not great. But I think that this has worked. This game doesn't suck. Hey! Guys, we got DJ Hop Roblox 2's approval. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It does suck a little bit for people on mobile, though. Headshot multiplier already exists. Yeah, okay, cool. I know a few things we've got to work on. Let's just make sure I remember them. You guys will have to remind me. So we need to work on... I've already forgotten. This is great. Mobile shift lock. And also changing control to shift lock and shift to sprint. Plus... making the leaderboard sort by different ways. Okay. Brilliant. Whew! Okay. Let's get to work, I guess. First of all, I want to work on... Make sure you guys can see the paintball. Okay. Add a damage indicator? Yeah, that's also, I need that, yes. But honestly, overall, I think that that's... Next time you're making a game, ask yourself, is this fun to play? That is the #1 rule of making games. Yes, I agree. Sometimes people make games and they forget to make something fun. Because they get a bit too into it. But that was very fun for me. I enjoyed that a lot. Okay. So, let me first work on the... Oh, yo! Biff Gaming, thank you very much for the $1.09. He says, Mario is live! Please, better mobile support for Paint Gun if you can do it. Awesome. I mean, let's work on the mobile support right now. Biff Gaming needs us to work on mobile support for this game. So let's do that real quick. I've never actually played it on mobile, and the main issue is the sprinting. Or like, what's up with that? Is that the main problem? Okay. Let me just work out where I've got the sprinting part. Really remember where. Okay. Right. So what we can do instead of this, basically I'm using the user input service here to work out when someone presses shift. This is actually the worst way of doing it. So I'm going to change this to be context action service, which is a completely different one. But basically that means instead we can bind an action. Basically I have to write in a name, which I'm going to go sprint, or yeah, we'll just call it sprint. Then you add in the function, which is shift enabled. Then you can create the touch button, which just handles mobile. And I think that's all we want. And now we just have to edit the shift enabled function which is now instead going to have some other stuff going into it. I can't remember what it is. Let me just quickly Google it. Context action service Roblox. I'm just quickly off stream googling something. When you bind an action, it always comes with three there we go. 3 options come in here, and I always forget what they are, so I just copy them. So now all we have to do is we have to say if basically I'm gonna make a variable called enabled because that's what we're using before, and I'm gonna make sure that sometimes I'm using this function differently. So sometimes I'm just putting false, and in that case, if it's a boolean, like false or true, the action name, then we're just going to set enabled to be the action name. And if it's not, then we're just going to say if the input state is equal to nm.input_state.begin, and if it's ending. So now you're basically just saying if the sprint is starting, if they when they press shift, did they just start it or did they stop it? Basically, that's what I'm checking there. And so if they did just start it, then we'll set sprinting to be true, and if they're letting go of the button, we'll set it to be false. Awesome. So that should just work. So now if we go back into Paintball, a little bit complicated perhaps, I don't know. Hopefully I explained it well enough. Let's check out. Let's see if it worked. Okay, well, all that should do is pretty much nothing. This should just work the exact same. So when I press shift, it should just start sprinting, and when I let go of shift, it should stop. Yeah. Illuminable. Yo, Mario is a game developer with thousands of players. What type of advice do you give to smaller players? Number one advice is always to, I mean, it's what that person said earlier, to be honest. There's a lot of things you should do. I mean, firstly, you should make something that you're enjoying making, a game that you enjoy playing. Because I used to do this too. Like sometimes I'd make games, but I wouldn't actually enjoy playing them. But the thing is that if you make a game and you're enjoying playing it, then you'll probably keep working on it, even if no one else is playing it yet, right? And so eventually you'll get a really good game. And if you enjoy it, someone else is bound to enjoy it too. So always make a game that you enjoy. So for example, I'm not going to make the next Adopt Me or Pet Simulator because I don't really enjoy those games. And so when you don't enjoy a game but you work on it, I think that it won't end up being as good of a game, basically. So do that. Also, when you're a small developer, sometimes, I mean, this is true for all developers. I do it too. When you spend too much time working on a game and not enough time playing with people. So make sure that you make a game. When you make a game, get the concept. Like, say you're making a sword fighting game, right? But you want to make a massive map. Instead of making the massive map first, maybe instead do make the sword fighting part and then open it up and have some people play sword fighting, because unfortunately if the sword fighting isn't enjoyable but you spend 6 months making the massive map, you will just waste 6 months. So as fast as possible, make sure you get other people in there to play with you. Basically, you'll get some feedback very quickly. I hope that helps. And on that note, shift doesn't work. So let's figure out what just happened. I seem to remember that I didn't type in shift anywhere. Why didn't I do that? That's probably why. That's probably why it doesn't work. Yeah, I didn't bother telling them. That's why. That's my bad. I forgot to actually say shift. Or yeah, left shift. Cool. I really need to get rid of this intermission if you're on studio, basically. What happens if a small developer makes a really good game but no one plays it? How can you get attention? Okay, yeah, shift works, by the way, so that's cool. Problem with that is that if you make a really good game and you're a small developer but nobody's playing it, then it's probably not a very good game. And I don't mean that in a rude way, I just mean if you play your own game, if you think your game's really good, that's fantastic, right? You've got to love your own game. If you play it, do you get bored? Do you enjoy playing it for like half an hour? You know, and if you invite your friends in, will they just play, or will they want to go and play something else? Because if it's a really fun game and people want to play it, then eventually someone will join, and if it's fun enough, they'll invite their friends, or they'll play for a long time. So I guess find out why aren't people playing it, basically. Like, I'm sure that you only have 1 or 2 people play a day, but what could you do to make those people enjoy your game more? Does that make sense? You've got to look at it sort of like that. When I was, by the way, we'll test it on mobile now, but I'm pretty sure that will give us a button. When I was younger, I used to play Roblox where guests, I don't know if you guys remember, there used to be guests on Roblox. Just quickly so that I know if it's studio or not. And I used to basically play on a guest account and join my own game. It was I used to work on 2-player Secret Hideout Tycoon, and I used to watch people when they played and see like what point did they stop playing. What things would I see? Like, I'd watch them very closely as like a guest, so they wouldn't know it was me, and I'd see like this random person joined, but they got stuck on this tree and then they left, right? And so then I'd go and fix the tree, and then I'd keep doing that, and basically eventually you no longer have these little annoying things that people leave. So yeah, just stuff like that. I don't know if that helps at all. Right, we're on mobile. We now have the shift button. Should be able to press. Oh, but okay. But if you let go of it, it stops. That's not great. I feel like if you're on mobile, you should press the shift button and it should just be shift. It should just be sprinting, you know? Am I wrong? Also, it shows up when you don't have the gun open. Okay. Why? Ah, I know. Okay, I could do this instead. A little bit crazy. Yeah, okay, what I wanted to do was when you equip it, I want to have it start this sprinting thing. And when you unequip it, I must have somewhere. Yep, I can unbind the action of sprint. Right. I want to make sure that, guys, when you're on mobile, should you tap the, yeah, it should be a toggle button, right? I'll adjust the position of it, but I feel like it should be a toggle. Toggle button. How do I do that? Where do? Okay, I have to do a little bit of Googling, because I'm not actually sure how to do that. Roblox context action service toggle button. Toggle function. I finally found a solution to the problem. Brilliant. I love people solving my problems. And it's really simple. Okay. Yeah, he's just done a bit of code like that. Okay. Wait, has, not has true, has false. Huh? What are you on about? Yo, Viv Gaming! Here's another $1.09. Thank you. A locked parts feature in Obby Creator maybe, so Team Create members can select locked parts, useful for Obby Creator, bit like build battles. Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, I guess Team Create could use some improvements. Do you guys think that's a good feature to work on? Like locking parts. Oh, you guys can't see my screen for some reason, can you? Wait, did it freeze? Oh, I put it on the wrong. My bad, guys. Okay, this is what I was looking at. They're saying yes. Yeah, I think that is a good feature. Cool. Yeah, good feature, Viv. I need to make some improvements to Team Create, so honestly, I might include that. I want you to be able to see where people are when you're in Team Create. Like if someone else is flying around, that you should probably be able to see where they are. Also, maybe add some more permissions to, like, say, can someone delete, or can someone just build, or that kind of thing. Yeah, cool idea. All right, let's. I just want to think about this. This problem 1 second. So, I want to make this sprint button toggleable. Toggleable. A funny word. So. I know. No, I don't. No, I do not. Maybe I'm gonna have a stopped pressing when enabled print. Great name. I'm gonna have this maybe go to true. Yeah, okay. And then just say if is sprinting. But no, because this will... Gosh. Okay, this became much more complicated than I wanted it to be. I think I'm actually going to get rid of everything that we've done so far. Yeah. Right. I'm just undoing everything I've done. Because it didn't work exactly how I thought it would. Annoyingly, I removed this code, so I'm going to have to write it again. Okay. My bad. Right, I've got rid of everything we did so far. I think I'm gonna have to make mobile and computer like a separate script, annoyingly. which is fine. I just have to make it work slightly differently. Yo, Squish, thank you. Start the whole game from scratch. I saw a spider in the game and I'm scared. I'm not starting the whole game from scratch. Do you remember when we worked on what were we working on? The ELO system? It was completely horrible. Oh gosh. Yeah, I refuse. I'm sorry. Although if there was a spider, I think I would. I hate spiders. Okay, we're actually gonna do the mobile down here, and I think that we can still use context action service, but we just have to have them separated instead. I think that's fine. Yeah, okay, because I can call this mobile sprint, and I can put, yeah, okay, actually, this does work. We just have to have both of them. Basically, my problem at the moment is that mobile sprint needs to be toggled, and PC sprint isn't toggled, like you just hold it down and then you let go kind of thing. So, I'm gonna have a separate function here, which is called mobile shift enabled. Sure. And I do want a button, and it is enum dot. No, it's not. Brilliant. And then down here, we just have before this thing, unbind action. Sprint. Cool. We're going to have them running separately. And then I'm going to have a second function here, which is then for just mobile. Then we would have all of this stuff: action name, input state, input object. And so now I can just say if the input state, yeah, because we're only going to want to do anything when it's when you're beginning to press the button. Does that make sense? Like when you're on mobile, you've got that little button there, you press it, you do something, you let go, it does nothing, you press it again, it undoes that. I hope that makes sense. A little bit complicated. So then, yeah, we can just do the opposite, not sprinting, and then just do shift enabled with enabled. Okay, that should work, actually. I know that looked a bit complicated, but this should work now. So when I'm on PC, I can hold down shift and let go, and it works perfectly. Brilliant. Did you be able to sprint without the gun? You should, right? You guys think you should be able to sprint without holding the gun out? Because at the moment I've got it so that on mobile you have to have the gun held, but that seems a bit weird actually. Okay, now let's try it on mobile. Now the button will be weird, but it should still work. It's gonna look a bit strange. Yeah, look, it's there. But if I walk around, I'm slow. I press it. I'm fast. I'm fast. Press it again. I'm slow. Cool. If I have the gun out, it's more obvious. Sprinting. Not sprinting. Sprinting, not sprinting. If I shoot, it stops. I have to press it again, then you sprint. Brilliant. What do you guys think? Mobile sprint. Perfect. So now we just need to make it look nicer. That's it. And that should just work. So what I can do is... Oh, I actually don't know, but I guess we're going to find out. I think, can we do like image, set image? Yeah. Okay. Mobile sprint. Is that what I called it? I think so. Sprint. Then we just need an image IDs, which is enabled, and this or this. Cool. And I just want that to be a little image. So let's go to our favorite website, which is Remix Icons. We love Remix Icons. I got recommended this by a friend, Forever HD. Too much grass in your game. What does that even mean? They have cool icons, except... Ah, yes. They have a running icon. What could it look like if you were sprinting and if you weren't? I have to edit this icon a little bit. So here's our little man. I like him, he's cool. What color should it be? We'll just go with white for now, and we'll make it 36 pixels. Oh. Wow. Yeah, that's fine. Save this. Remix icon. Done. Line. Brilliant. Now we'll open up Paint. Have a bit of paint. There we go. Open up this icon that we just saved. There we go. This. You can't see him because he's white. But he is there. There he is. What do you guys think that this should look like when you are sprinting and when you aren't sprinting? Squish, don't you dare. Don't you dare write down the code, guys. That's funny. I was thinking maybe like when you're sprinting, you'd have, you know what I mean? Like to look like that? Or should I make it so that when you're sprinting, it could be like a little bit like this could be sprinting, but this could be not sprinting? Or green is sprinting? That's kind of interesting. Could change the color, or I kind of prefer the transparency, because I feel like green and red might be a bit weird. Might be a bit, a red running guy not sprinting and a green guy. Do you not think that, I feel like the colors might be a little bit recto. Okay, I do think that the image should stay the same, and then we'll just do some edits in the studio. So let me just get rid of this quickly. I have to do one thing. I recommend it's called, if you guys ever make Roblox games and you want images to go into your game, I recommend this thing called, what's it called? Pixel Fix. Basically, it's a little program running it. There you go, run. It basically makes, like if you have a white image, sometimes if you have a white image, it will look weird when you put it into Roblox. And this thing basically fixes it, so I recommend it. Right, upload this image. Our little sprinting dude. There he is. Okay. We're actually going to keep the image the same. Oh, does it let you change the values? Gosh. Okay, actually, what I just said is completely wrong. You actually can't, because it's content, they don't let you change the transparency or anything, so we're going to have to keep it changed. Brilliant. Oh, what I just said was wrong, I'm sorry. Let me try, I'm going to try the invisible dude and just see how it looks, and then if you guys hate it, we'll change it. That's an invisible dude. Parent. Okay. Parent. Okay, and let me also set the position so that it isn't in the way. Set position. I don't know what a good position is. I've never done this before. Position within the context frame. Huh? Okay, I'm just gonna go to 0. See what that does. Okay, we'll try this and maybe it will look weird or not. I have no idea. Oh, okay. So this would be what it would look like if you were not sprinting, and then if you were sprinting. And then if I shot, I'd no longer be sprinting. Do you guys think that that's fine, or would you prefer the green thing red idea? Obviously, I'm going to move this because it's in the way. It's kind of sick, actually. I don't mind that. Personally, I think that looks okay. You shouldn't stop sprinting when you take away your gun, also. Honestly. Bad idea. I don't know why it's... Who made that? Looks okay? Enlarge the button for sprinting. Yes. Let me see if I can do that. I don't know how to do that. Well, I will try. Let me move it slightly, and let me make sure that the image is already set. This. First join. Where's the pitch? I don't think sliding and crouch will be very helpful. I'm not sure that it would be. I just don't think it gives you that much. I don't know. Seems a little bit unnecessary. Okay, I've moved it a little bit. We'll see if that helped. Oh. Nope. Okay. How is that half? That makes no sense. It was confusing. I put it halfway and it just went like all the way. 3 maybe? Okay, that's fine. Let me see if we can change the size, because I do agree it's a bit small. Size? Is that a thing? Okay, this might be a Google. I believe this might be a Google thing. Change, context, action, service, button, size, Google it, see better. Ah! I did not know you could do that in all my years. Okay, I did not know you could do that at all. You can just get the button and change it. Wow. Thank you guys. I did not know. That's so weird. I've been programming on Roblox for, what, 13 years? And I did not know you could do that this whole time. Stuffed Cheese. Cool name. Thanks for subscribing. I sometimes stream, Kitty. Yeah, sometimes. Okay. Guess we can do that. I didn't know that. That's so weird. I did just learn something new. That was really weird. Okay. I'm gonna set it to 1. This is gonna be way too big, probably. Let's just see what it looks like. Okay, great. Love that. What do you guys think? Cause I... Alright. It's a bit big. That's so silly. I don't know what the size is originally. Yep, 13 years. Okay, it's 45 and 45. That's not very helpful. I guess I could just do it a little bit big. I'm not 60 years old, guys. But that's too big, right? That just looks weird. I don't like that. Unless... That could look fine if I moved it up a little bit. Actually, yeah, I might... What about this? This might be slightly wrong. I thought if I had it up here... Wait, that's honestly not horrible. If I moved that across a little bit. Okay, it didn't seem to move at all. Or am I silly? Nope. Or actually, maybe. I don't know. Okay, I'm happy with this. I think this is going to look the best. I actually like it a bit to the right. Okay, final position, I swear. How is that? I think that's good. I think that's good. I am 22, guys. Old. I was 22 last month. Okay, I think that's good. Next thing I want to work on is the leaderboard. I want to make sure that it's not just ranked by... it's not just sorted in that way. Does that make sense? I don't want it to just be sorted weirdly. Now I've got to work out what the heck I coded. Because I don't know what I just did. Aww. Christ. Okay, we're gonna have to... I genuinely don't know. What in the world? Okay, we'll have to figure out... Okay, I've written some code and no one knows how this code works. So now I'm gonna have to... Oh, what the heck? Okay. Gosh. Dementia gaming, yes. Okay. So the problem with this is that in this game, I want it to sort the leaderboard by the amount of flag captures, but also the amount of kills. Whereas in the sword fighting game, I want it to only sort by the amount of kills. Does that make sense? And when I make the next one, which I thought might be something epic, that I probably don't want it to, I want it to sort by something else. So, how, you know? How does one do that? Okay, I think I know. I'm gonna have to write some weird code. Look at it start. How do I get them to stop doing that? Okay, whatever, it's just gonna stay like this. Oh gosh. Okay, I'm just having a think. This is a thinking moment. 1 second, guys. Got to work out how I'm going to do this. Okay. 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 This is such a strange. Do I just? I've just thought of a way to do it, but it just seemed. Okay, I was gonna do this whole complicated maths thing, and I've decided actually, let's just not do any of that, and let's instead. Yes, perfect. Okay, let's instead just do this way easier. Okay. This is actually... Okay, basically, guys, my problem at the moment is that I've got this leaderboard. Okay. And it says flag captures, kills, and deaths. At the moment, it's sorted by flag captures. Or it's sorted by whatever's the first thing here. So when we play the sword fighting game, it's only kills and deaths, so it's sorted by kills. When you play this one, it's sorted by flags. But what I'm trying to do is, when it's in paintball, I want it to be sort of a bit of this and a bit of this. But when you're in sword fighting, I only want it to be this and not a bit of this. Does that make sense? So it's like, it got very complicated very quickly. Now I'm thinking that a simple way to do this could actually be if I added another thing here that just looks like points or score or something. The problem with that is that as you get to small, like on phones, now it's I feel like this is gonna be too much. It will start to overlap. So I'm just trying to work out. It doesn't make sense? Okay, great. That's perfect. That's just what I wanted. Right. Ooh. Okay, I think I've got it. I'm gonna have a hidden value. Okay, this is... Yes, that's good. Right. I'm just gonna... It's a bit of a cheeky way of doing it, but it should still work. Basically, I'm gonna have a separate points variable thing. And just occasionally, if you're playing this game, you'll have like a hidden points thing, but it just won't show up. And it will just organize it by points. And then I can just check, like if now I'm just saying, is it there? Is it hidden, basically? Do we see a label that says points? And if we do, then change the text. And if we don't bother changing the text. Okay. So now, that's a little bit different. But what we should be able to do now, actually, is... I think I might be completely wrong, but I think That should be fine. Maybe? Question mark? I don't know why these are backwards. Why is it? What is this? Why does it say 3, 1, and 2, and 3? Just the values. Okay. Oh, this got very complicated very quickly, didn't it? Okay, I've written the code. I'm sorry that I'm not interacting with chat very much. I understand. However, we're making a game. So I cannot. I've made it so that the game should be able to now handle like hidden the points. I want each player to have a points thing, and we're just gonna have it hidden by that. The only thing is, I don't want points to save. I want to be a value that's saving. So actually what I'm going to do here is I think actually these are all values that are saved. I don't really want them to be saved. Points anyway. So what I am going to do is just go into here, have like a little hidden value. I'll call this points. And I'll just say it's points. Maybe number 4. Okay. Yo, thank you. Oh my gosh. SL_ID_AA55FC-9620-33DA. Oh my gosh. I love the name. Hi Mario, this is my first time donating to a YouTuber. Thank you. I really appreciate it. What inspired you to make Obby Creator? I was inspired to make Obby Creator by the Obby making games that already existed. One of the things that I learned very quickly in making games was there is no such thing as an original game. If someone says to you they've made an original game, not a thing. So, yeah, I think that's important. But anyway, I basically saw Obby. What was it called? Obstacle Paradise. Did any of you guys play Obstacle Paradise? Used to play that. I used to play that, and I used to think I wish I was building an Obby that was more. I don't know. I just wish I had more freedom, right? And so that's what I just went and sort of made that. So yeah, I was inspired by those old sort of Obby games, and I thought I want to make a game like this, but I want it to be have a little bit more freedom in it. So if you guys are looking to make games, I would always recommend sort of think about what games you play, and then think about what could you do to improve this game, and then maybe you'll make something cool. I hope that answers your question. But yeah, that's what inspired me. Because I worked on it for quite a long time before it really got any players. So yeah, that is what inspired me. I got inspired by other Roblox games. So, 1, 1, 2, 3. We're going to set it. The display name is first thing. 1. Set the value 0. Cool. Okay, we've got a few hidden stats now. We should have a points statistic thing that's hidden, and I want it to be that when you get somewhere, where is it in the game handler? Somewhere in here, if flag captured. Add stat event is within data handler. Okay. That. How you call that? It is. Add game stat. Cool. Now we're gonna have to do a little bit of a finicky bit of code here. Basically, I know that we've got points, and we know that it's the last one, but I want it to be. Oh gosh. I want it to be made up of the amount of kills you have times by 1 and the amount of captures you have times by 5. A little bit. Am I ever going to update past the bomb? Probably not. Probably not. I did see two people were playing it the other day, so I don't know. I thought that was kind of funny. No one really ever plays that game. Okay, so now basically this is the bit of code that will, like, when you get a kill, it will increase your value by 1, that kind of thing. So what I'm doing here is I'm just checking for any hidden values, which in our case is going to be the points, and then I'm checking to see. Why did I do it like this? Actually, horrible way of doing it. I should write it like this. Captures is 5. So whenever you get any value, like a new kill or a new capture or even a death, I'm gonna make it so that the game basically just checks for the hidden values, which are like the points. Where's this red down here? What is this? Oh, that's good. Basically checks for the points and go through each one of these. So for each one of the hidden values in the game, which is going to be the points for this game, we want to check for to see if this value is determined by the value that we just changed. Christ, that's complicated. I'm so sorry. But it's like if we die in this game, the game's going to say, okay, do we need to check if there's like a points thing? Yes. Are the points dependent on the amount of deaths we have? Yes or no? In that case, it would be no. But if you had a kill, then it would be like, yes. I hope that makes sense. It's really difficult to explain how my brain is working. But basically what we need to know is this is if yes. And so we can now just update the points. So we just check for these points here by finding first option, which should be points. So if there's a points value, then we just want to go. This is so complicated. Oh my gosh. Okay. Other value, a multiplier. I'm just gonna do it, and then we'll just see it working. Much easier. We're gonna go for the points. We're gonna go through the captures and the kills, which are the other values and the multipliers. And then we just have to we have to check all of this now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am aware that this makes no sense to anyone, so I'm just going as fast as I can. Okay, so if we have the data, if the player has any sort of data, if the player has a kill or a capture or whatever, if it exists, then we're going to work out their score. And their score is equal to this value times by the multiplier. There we go. And then finally, we just want to set the value to be equal to the score. Whew! Right. Guys, I think that might work. Let's test it out and say that our score, we'll get 5 points for a capture, we'll get 1 point for a kill, but hey, let's get 7 points if we die. Gosh. Let's see if any of it breaks, basically. We've got this thing breaking, that's fine, but nothing else broke. So, in here now we have a point, which they're called 1, 2, 3, 4, but it is number 4. So when we die, we just did, nothing broke, which is brilliant. I believe this is deaths. This is still 0, and I know why. Am I allowed to make Obby Creator bad? Yes, go for it. I mean, Obby Creator is already that should have been my Obby Creator is already bad. Oh, you're so funny. I'm aware, I know why that didn't work. It's because... Oh, actually, no, I don't know. Oh, fun. Okay, we're gonna have to go through it. This is an even more fun part. I need to fix those issues, it's really annoying. Okay. This is called, for anyone who doesn't do coding, this part of the scripting here is something is not working and I don't know why. So we're just going to go through it line by line. And I want to make sure that we are watching certain things, basically, so we can see the values of them. I want to see what is this hidden values, what is this hidden stat. And let's go through it a little bit and just see what happens. Okay. So, and what is a stat made of? Death. Ah, that's why. It's because I wrote deaths. Also, I wrote capturers. Genius. It's a spelling issue. Rocket mode? What do you guys mean? Like a different game, or do you mean in the paintball? Right, it's actually because I wrote deaths and I wrote death. This should now work, actually. I'd be surprised if this doesn't. So, in order for this to work, what we want is, we want this fourth value to change to 10 when I die. That's it. The first one went to 1. Not 10, 7. It didn't work. No! No! Yeah. Let's see why. Maybe he'll work on the animation later. What animation? Okay, so this should now go through. Yeah, we've got the leader stats. We go for value. Value is. Oh, I think I know why. That's meant to be a 2, not a 1. Okay, guys, I'm confident this will work. It's a bot. It is a bot. The game works out who's in featured just based on... Ooh, we have a fun death sequence. Yeah, the game just works out who's featured based on likes. Attempt to index Boolean with kills. Oh, no, I did that. Huh? Why did it change to 663? What? Why is it on 600 and... Okay. What? I was using my whole deaths. I've died like hundreds of times, so that's why I went to 3. That makes a lot of sense. Let me just... I want to change to... Okay, I have to change this. So actually, it's number 3 is captures, is times by 5. Kills is number 2. Times by 1, and death, 1, which is then times by 7. Ooh, complicated. But I think this is... I'm confident that this might actually work now. Yeah. Right, guys. I'm sure you followed that perfectly, and nothing didn't make sense. When I die, this value here is going to change to 7. I'm confident. I'm no longer confident. Why didn't that work? Because I... Oh, wait. Yeah, because I used the same... Alright. This time. When I die, this value should turn to 7. Please, please, please. Why? 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 Okay, now I actually don't know why it's not working. That's confusing. I have to go for prints now. For update? Question mark? Why are there so many errors now? Guys, what did you do? Why did you break everything? Okay, something's broken on line 198. They don't like this. They don't like this. This bit of code doesn't work. So... hopefully that stops all the errors. And let's... Ah! Okay. I get it now. Ooh, that was complicated. It should be this 3. I'm aware that this looks incredibly complicated. Are you struggling? I'm not struggling, I'm just, I just don't know what to do. I'm confident this will work. I know I've said that before, but... There we go. Oh yes. Woo! Alright, we now have a... It shows up, look at that. Not exact. I didn't really want it to show up, but it did. So now we have points, and I'm able to change the value of the points based on these other things. So I've made deaths be equal to 7 points. And I can also... I think I've also... What did I make the... I think I made... Let me try capturing the flag. I think I made it 10? The point is, it should be different for each value. What we wanted. So that my score is... My points are 14. If I capture the flag, my score is now 19. Ah, I made captures worth 5 and deaths worth 7. Alright, guys. Something worked. It made no sense, and then it worked. Brilliant. So now we have this points thing. Whew. Now we have this points thing. And... Which is great. So all I want to do now is make it so that they're the correct values, which I think they already are. It's 5 points for a flag capture and 1 point for a kill. Final thing I've got to do now is just hide when it says points, because I actually don't want the points to come up. Yeah, I would rather that they didn't show. And there's an easy way to do that as well, I think. Which is... Just do if stat found get attribute hidden. We can just do that. And then on this side, we can just do the hidden values. It makes a new value. We just want to set it to be hidden. Alright, there we go, guys. So, I know that made probably no sense. But now, the points shouldn't... Oh, everything broke. Oh, okay. Ignore that. Accidentally got rid of that. There we go. Ignore that. Okay, now... This is basically what making games is. Oh my god. What the hell is this? Okay, well now at least it doesn't show up, but everything else broke, but... At least now it doesn't show up. Back at square one? No! This is square 7. It's just confused. Oh, I think I broke. Okay. It like entirely broke. Oh no. I think I may have just broken the entire game. Yeah, okay, now... now everything is broken. Oopsies. Right. Know why. Let's do this. Start now. Okay. I temporarily broke everything. Thank you, Defund. Okay, guys. We finally have it. We finally have points that don't show up, but they do exist. Okay? And they are now 1 point per kill and 5 points per flag captures. So this will now sort itself in a much nicer way. That was the most complicated and strange part of coding possibly ever, but it did actually work, so, you know. Now there's this weird issue that keeps showing up, and I just want to see why that is. I see. Because sometimes there's a timer script, but sometimes there isn't. Publish that. And publish that. Cool! Right, guys! Yes, points that don't show up, but do exist. It's brilliant, I know. What was the other things you guys wanted me to work on? We've done the mobile shifting, mobile sprinting. We've done the leaderboard, like, fixed. What were some of the other things? Because I do remember that there were other things. I just can't remember what they were. Add a vest. Oh yeah, making it more obvious if someone's on your team or not. I could maybe use a highlight. What was the other thing that I wanted to do? There was something else, wasn't there? Baseplate simulator? Close. You are close. There was something else, I know there was. Ah, it was shift lock. There we go, I remembered. You remember, we wanted shift lock, control. People wanted that for some reason. Sure. Let me Google how to do that. Because I don't know. Shift lock on different keybind. How to change the shift lock keybind on Roblox. Okay.
Yo, what's going on? Today's video, I got another subscriber requested video. This video was requested by somebody in my comments. They actually took me like
Okay.
a local script here, right? So pretty much just just ignore it anyway. So
You're literally just getting the mouse lock controller and changing the value. Okay. It's a solution. It might break in the future, but it might work forever. Okay, so it is possible. It just might break in the future if Roblox ever changes anything. I always look up tutorials. Yes, let's go. Love a good tutorial. Awesome. So, it's pretty simple. We just have to do really anywhere. What code would make sense? I'm gonna make a new one. Whoever's spamming hearts, thank you. Shift lock changer or something. Left control. Mouse controller. Gonna be script parent. And then I think did I disable mouse lock? I think I did. How do I enable it? Enable mouse lock option. Cool. Alright, I think that might maybe do what you guys wanted. I just press control. Yeah, look, okay, shift is sprinting, shifting, control, but now I can control and there you go. Easier than I thought it would be. I think the only other thing is I wanted to make it have like a little ding, like you've hit someone. It goes like, you know what I mean? Like you like see it happening. It did work. It did work. And I think if once I've added this, then we are actually done. So I think let me add this, and then we'll have another playtest. And I think then we're good. So I'm imagining that when you hit someone, I want a little bit of text to come off and be like, hit, or something. Or like you know, minus 25, like if that's how much damage we're having. Hey Eddie, welcome. You can get points, Lenlash, you get points just by being in the stream. I think you get a certain amount every. So we already have the sound happening. Can't remember exactly. Ah, it's here. Yeah, we've got this. We've got that. Click. Yeah, I made these. I might make these louder. Oh, that was another thing actually, wasn't it? I wanted the bullet sound to like not be so loud. Basically, goes too far. Okay, I've changed that. I want the little indicator. That's what I want. So we can do that easily. We can have it. It's here. Here we go. So what we can do is guess we'll have, will it be in the game UI? This would probably make sense. We'll put a little event in here called like create hit text. Okay. And whenever we hit someone, we just want to search that we find that event there. So hit event is going to be in our player dot stage UI child create hit text. We will fire this event and we're going to send them the part. And then if it's a headshot, we'll just also put true afterwards. Brilliant. So what's going to happen is that when we shoot somebody and the game recognizes that we've shot somebody, this event here called create hit text on the side is going to fire. And it's going to give us the name of the person. Oh, not the name of the person. It's going to give us the part that it hit, so we know where it is, and whether it was a headshot or not. So it will look like this: part and his headshot. Cool. So now we just have to make a bit of text that says headshot or something like that, and then we can put it wherever the player is where we hit them, and that will look cool, I think. So I'm gonna make the text already, and then we'll have it be copied. Be a lot easier. Oh, it's massive. Whoops. I don't want it to be that big. Not 5. Yeah, 20. Say like hit or something. It will look like this. And if you're on mobile, it will be sort of similar size. So imagine you hit someone, and it's just going to go like hit like that. It'll have like a little, it will fade out, I think, is a nice. I'm going to have it go up and then fade out. This game is about a lot of different things, but this part of the game is paintball. We're working on a few different areas of the game. Right. So this is our little hit text, and I think that when it's a headshot, I might just change it to say headshot, or maybe I'll change the color to be red or something like that. You know, that will be a headshot, and that will be a normal hit or something like that. But for now, we'll just copy it. We are going to get the position of the part. Well, actually, okay, first let's parent it to script.parent, and then let's have it wait, I guess, 3 seconds, and then we'll just destroy it. And now we need to get, I need to get the like part position. I forget what the function is, like the viewport or something. World to viewport point. That's exactly what I wanted. Brilliant. It returns da 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 da, and whether it's, I think that's the one we want, right? Or is it like a, world to screen point? That's what I actually wanted. Cool. So what's going to happen here? Give it a headshot sound going like headshot. Both the sounds already play. You just don't really notice. I think that, I don't know. I feel like someone saying headshot would be annoying. What do you think? It's got a little ding. Oh, that code that I just copied does not work. To try and figure that out. Okay, let's see if it works. So, I shoot myself from over here because I can't bother doing. Oh wow, how did that work? Did you see that? That was an insane shot. Okay, it's unable to assign property to position. UDAM expected got vector 3. Okay. That's why. Oh, you guys couldn't see. No, you guys missed my insane shot. Because you couldn't see my screen. No. Okay, I forget that when I play with 2 people, you guys can't actually see it. That's so sad. I made an insane shot, just believe me. This part's a bit difficult to show you because of all the different screens, but I'm just testing to see if when you shoot someone, I just wanted it to say, like, hit, and then the text. I just wanted the text to appear on your screen. Yeah, there we go. A bit too high, and I put so high up. Okay. Yeah, you guys can't see that, so apologies. I don't think there's any other way to. I don't think there's any other way to show you. Oh, actually, I know. I could show you. I'll have it do this. Um, I know. I'm gonna have it. I'm just gonna make it so that it always does it, and then I can show you guys what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make it so that when you shoot somebody, it comes with a little. It'll do that. If I shoot someone over here, it'll go like hit. You know what I mean? It'll have like this pop up. Now I don't know why it doesn't. Not at the right. But something like that. Does that make sense? Now it does make sense. So as you could see, that kind of worked a little bit. The only problem with it was that when you moved the camera, it didn't stay in the same place. And so all I have to do here is just do literally every frame. Just go through all the text that are on the screen and just do this so that the label position. Ah, cool. Right. So now if we shoot somebody, let's just here, it will say hit. It's like kind of on them. If I shot someone here, they'll be like hit. Hit. So now I just need to make this text slowly move upwards and then fade out. It's working, just very slowly. So to do that, I'm just going to save the time that I made the thing, made the bit of text. And then I'm just going to plus, or actually take away, the difference in time. What's the difference in time? Well, it will be the time now. I can actually just save here. Now, take away the time that it was. Just put as number 2. And then maybe I'll multiply that by 10 or something. See. Right. So now, it should move up slowly. Hopefully, maybe. There it goes. When you shoot somebody now, it will say hit and then kind of go up. Does that look like kind of like games? For me, that's kind of like how games would look, maybe. If I shot someone, it's over there, and then it sort of goes up, and I'm going to have it fade out. Cool. Now I've just made it fade out. This is very, very quick, very, very easy. So now if we shoot somebody, it will say, gosh, that's not what I wanted. There, I put the wrong text transparency, that's what I wanted. Cool. Now if we shoot somebody, it will say hit, and then it fades away. See that? Honestly, it looks pretty good. I'm happy with that at the moment. Hit. Yeah, I think that's really good. Yeah, that's good. Look at that. If I shot someone over there, it would go like this. Or if I shot someone up here, it would go hit and sort of fade away, which I think is good. Now, the only thing that I want to do now is basically add the headshots. When you get a headshot, should the text change color or should it say like something different? What do you guys think? Should it say headshot or should it just be a different color? I sort of feel like a different color might be a little bit easier. Like if you get a headshot, maybe it should be red. If you don't get a headshot, it should be like orange or something. Maybe. I don't know. What do you guys think? Gonna work out. So if you don't get a headshot, I'm gonna have it look like this. Maybe. Oh gosh. Oopsies. Don't got the assignment. What are you on about? You guys think orange looks weird? Actually, it does look kind of weird. I don't love that. I think white was better. I do, Doodle. I am reading chat, yes. I think orange looks weird, and I think red will also look strange. Oh, red's okay. Okay, so maybe it could be red if you get a headshot, and white if you don't. What do you think? White for normal, red for headshots. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Cool. I reckon let's try that. Okay, guys, if you want to play along, I'm going to be joining the game. I'm just going to make sure I shut everyone down first. There actually are some people still playing it, and let's give it a go and see how this looks. I feel like this might look alright. Why don't you try making animations? In this game? Should I make the shift lock control? A problem with shift lock now being different in this game is it's a bit confusing. It's like shift is shift here, but not shift on others. I don't know. Hello, I'm the Roblox guy. Oh wait, this is a broken server. Hang on, this didn't update. This is an old server. Okay. For some reason it didn't. I don't know. Hold on a minute. I wanted to change one thing, which was that this thing work. I remember. I think a different font would be a good idea. Oh, I see what you mean. Oh, look, it's LSW3N. Hey, welcome. A different font for headshots. Yeah, maybe. Do you mean for headshots, or do you just mean like generally? Right. Why is red team blue? Ah, shift is broken. Oh no. Okay, hold on. Oops. I broke everything. My bad. Okay. Rejoin. I broke sprinting. What's this game about and why are you making it? This game is a... Whoa, so many people joined. Whoa! Alright, guys. Look at them all. Like an army. This game is like classic games, like some fighting games, that kind of thing. There we go, it's fixed. And yeah, that's it really. And there's going to be a few different games. They're like based on classic games. Right, we need to try and hit someone and then see if it says like, hit. Like this. Oh. Oh no. Oopsies. Okay, there's so many things going wrong. Color 3 expected. Got nil. I know what I did wrong. Oopsies. It's down here. This part. I should have done if it's a headshot and then do that. There we go. All these little tiny bugs. Tiny weeny bugs. Alright, everyone playing, I'm sorry, we're gonna keep shutting down. Just gonna repeatedly shut down. This is cool, thank you. The new materials that Roblox made. Yeah, I do need to add them. Look at everyone. Guys, I'm sorry. We're gonna keep resetting. The new materials that Roblox added, I can't actually add it to the... Oh, there's so many people. I can't actually add it to the game yet. Need to fix that. It's so annoying that it says red team, there's blue. Well, let me try and hit someone. Hey, look! Okay, I think that it actually is strange. Okay, when you should, it shouldn't follow them. That doesn't make any sense. Like, it should say hit and then it should stay there. This hit thing should have stayed where I hit them. Does that make sense? But it kind of works now, at least. It's a bit weird because it sticks to the person. That was a strange choice. Oh! No! these are not sorted properly. No! I really thought that would work. Yeah, this is now still sorted incorrectly. Gosh dang it. Thanks, Doodle. I really appreciate that. Okay, there's a few things to improve here. Hey! How am I missing that? What the heck? Team help! Ah! Team! Yes! No! He's gone, no! Gosh damn it. Okay. This is a fun game. I really enjoy my own game. These texts are too high. They're too low or high or whatever. I feel like it would make more sense to have them down here. They're too annoying up there. Hey! Oh no. I think our team's losing. I think our team is... I think this is it. But honestly, this game is not bad. I quite enjoy playing it, actually. Which is a good sign. Oh, I needed to make it so you couldn't jump so much. Ah! No. No. Kind of reminds me of Big Paintball. I mean, it's just a paintball game. It reminds me of the ultimate paintball. Oh, this dude's on my team. I'm stupid. Guys, our team is not doing good. They're all just coming after me. They just want to be on the stream, I think. Oh no. I also added in something where if one team wins by 5 points, they just win automatically. It just says win by domination. Because I think that I was playing the game and one of the teams... Oh! Oh. It was going so well. One of the teams won so much that it yeah. Hold on, what is happening here? How are we... Why? What? How did they die? That guy's insane. It's you. Ah! Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay. Hang on a minute. What team am I on? I'm on red. So complicated. This dude has our flag. Whoa. One of these teams' shots aren't registering. Oh! Okay. Sometimes the shots don't register and it's a little bit frustrating. Whoever made this game, suck. Alright. Come on, guys. Honestly, this is a pretty fun game. I think this is good. I'm happy with this. There's just a few things that I need to work on, which is specifically the hit thing is now kind of weird. So let me just fix that real quick. Okay. So there's a few things I want to do. If you guys noticed when we were playing, the hit thing, like, it stays where it is, and that's strange. So that's an easy fix. We can just do that. Perfect. Next, I wanted to make them actually go up a little bit more, and I wanted to make it just slightly smaller. Felt like it was just a bit too big. Okay, so that should now kind of work. Yeah. That was the first time I was on stream. Nice. What do you guys think of feedback? I think that so I fixed that thing. There was something else that I think should be changed. Oh yes, the leaderboard isn't working anymore, and I'm unsure why. Basically, I don't know what's going on with that. So let's figure that out. Oh, I think it's. Oh, I know. It's because of the start num thing. I know. I need to do. Current value. I think that would have fixed it. Well, let me try the game again for everyone. Oh, my PC just like straight up crashed. You guys hear me? Oh, wait. Ah, we're back. That was weird. I'm gonna rejoin, and I've just shut down the servers. I'm gonna rejoin. It's a nice game. Cool. Thank you. The sword fighting is also pretty good. If you haven't checked that one out, there is a sword fighting section as well. There's a few different versions. Who's winning? Well, this dude's winning a lot. Okay, I should have now fixed that. I hate that. I need to change that. What did I just fix? Okay, we need to watch the leaderboard to make sure the leaderboard now works. And also the hit indicator should now more properly work. Yeah, look. Ah, brilliant. How did I hit someone from that far away? That was honestly quite impressive. Yeah, there we go. See, so you hit them and it sort of stays in that position. I think is nice. I should probably also... Yes, look! Yes! Yes! Sorry, I got so excited. The leaderboard's working. Look! Oh, wait. But did I not kill them? This one I killed them. Okay, but the leaderboard's working. Yay! Brilliant. Okay, I think everything's working, guys. We've got the leaderboard is now properly sort of going. I'm waiting for someone to capture a flag so that it looks a little bit better. The hit indicator looks a lot nicer. It stays where they are. Look at that. I mean, sometimes the damage doesn't properly work, but someone captured a flag. Look, so now Squished is at the top because he has one flag capture, and then these people because they have 2 kills. This is amazing. I don't know why I'm saying this is amazing. It's my own game. Okay, I'm there. I've got a kill. Let's go. Brilliant. Okay, this is much better. I actually really like this one now. Hey. There we go. And there we go. So this person's at the top because they have a flag capture and 3 kills. Brilliant. Okay, I think this is honestly not that bad. Now, possibly I could... 90% of my hits don't work. That's not great. That might be a lag thing. Is it like actually 90%, or are you being dramatic? Because I have like maybe 20%. Yeah, it does happen sometimes. See, look, there it happens. Typically when the other person's moving very fast, it's a little bit... I'll work on that, but honestly, overall, it's going quite well. Look at, oh, so satisfying. I'm really happy with this, guys. Also, thank you very much for 90 viewers. That's crazy. Very rarely have 90 viewers. Okay, cool. I'm waiting for someone... Okay, so when this guy gets another kill... If this person had 7 kills, I think they should be higher than the flag captures, is how this is sort of working. Do you guys think that I should add, like, a kill thing that says, this person killed this person? You can't do the flag because there's, the other flag is... They still have our flag. We have to get their flag first. I like the paint splats going down the thing. Okay. I really want to see someone capture twice, or like one of these people get more kills so they can go above. All of my team is just staying at the back. They have a stalemate at the moment. Team, we need to kill the guy with the flag. That's what needs to happen at the moment. Yo, thank you. I'm gonna have to go away from screen in order to see it. Squish, $1. Everyone in paintball attack Mario revolt against the arbitrator empire. Okay, I survived. Guys, don't listen to Squish. Okay. Just play the game normally. Please. Oh gosh. Okay, but seriously, team, we need to... Thank you, Squish, by the way, for the dollar. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Squish is, Squish, are you winning on the like, stream leaderboard? Or, like, how is that? Because you used to be very high up on it. I don't know if you still are. I keep missing. What the... Ow. Okay, we're in a bit of a stalemate at the moment, because both teams have the flag. But we are winning. So 6 more minutes and we win. Hey Joseph, welcome to the stream. I'm also suggesting a jump cooldown. Yeah, it's an option. I'm thinking, I'm considering the jump cooldown. What do you guys think? I feel like that hit didn't work, which is a bit annoying. We need to try and fix that. Do you guys think we should have a jump cooldown or not? Because I'm half on it. I'm half mind. On one hand, it would be probably maybe good to stop the spam, but at the same time, that's kind of annoying. Okay, I feel like it's working quite fine. Oh, you can still get... I think you can still get hits even when someone's like, I'm not alive. Honestly, I think we're gonna win. I don't know. Yes, that is a feature. you shouldn't be able to capture a flag if your flag isn't there. I think. Oh! I totally just destroyed this dude. He's low on health. He's about to die. He's dead. Should I make it say, like, kill or something if you kill them? Probably a good idea, right? Quick! Flag! Dude with the flag! No! Don't die! Return the flag! Return the flag! No! Where's he going? Dude! Get the... Go for the flag! Yeah. What is this dude doing? Hey! Get back to the... This guy wants war. No! Look at him! He's doing it on purpose. That's so funny. Alright, everyone... No! No! This guy is destroyed. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this, honestly. It's going really well. The leaderboard's working. I think I'm pretty happy with the state of this game. I'm not sure there's anything else that needs to be added. I might like it to say, like, you killed this person. Or this person killed you, kind of thing. What do you think? I think that's about it. But overall, I'm happy with this. How many... I feel like there's quite a lot of people playing it, actually. I only have like 20 people in this server. How many people are in the other servers? 33. Wow, there's like another full server. Okay, we've got 3 minutes left. Let's just make sure we win this game. And... Where is that? There's someone down here. Hey. Hey. Stay away. No. Shoot him. Okay. Nice. We're just gonna finish off this game. And then we'll, Where's the dude with the flag? Oh, here he is. Yes. Go, dude. Go, go, go. Wait. What is he doing? Why is our team so silly? Our team's so funny. Oh, no. You put the flag on the flag. No! Yes! No! Oh my gosh. Okay, we're winning by 4. If we get one more, we auto-win. Also, it kind of worked. I don't know if you guys saw, but yeah, if you had a certain amount of kills, you went over the other person. So it does work. It does work. If Squished gets one more kill, he should go over particularly, since he would have more points, I think. Yeah. Or if this dude gets 3 more. Honestly, we're sorted. I don't know, this guy has the flag. I think we win. 1 minute and we win. Ah! They have our flag and we have the flag. But we're gonna win in 30 seconds. Dude. Honestly, not concerned. Thanks, well done, guys. Good game. GG. Who won the whole game? Oh yeah, look, Squished went over. Sick, so it does work properly. SCP. Oh! We dominated! We won! Woo! We won by domination. There we go. GG. Thank you very much. Kev's dead. $2.50. Mario, for my all-time hours on Obby Creator is 1165. Wow. I finished Obby Creator but bad. If you want the link, I'll put it here. Oh, awesome. I will have a look at that after stream, if that's okay. Or should we check it out real quick? Well, I've just finished this game anyway, so let me just... I'll have a look. How do I don't think I can grab it. How do I grab it? How do I grab it? Oh. Yeah. I don't know how to grab the text. Honestly, this game's going pretty well. I'm happy with that. The flag didn't work. No, because there isn't another flag there. You have to have... Your flag needs to be there in order for you to do it, if that makes sense. Let me... How am I going to find this game? They sent me a link, but I don't have the link. Alright, what's it called, at least? It's called Obby... Obbe. Obbe. Letter? Krator. Obbe Krator. Nope, that's not it. Okay, we'll go on to this, but then I will change the ID. That's the easiest way. 177948. 7948. 57377. Alright, quick break to check out this Obby Creator but bad game. Thank you very much for 94 viewers, by the way. Really appreciating it. Here we go. Oh, what the heck? Wow. Write your name in here for plot. Okay. This is Mario. Ooh. Oh, this is gonna get hectic too quickly. Oh no, there's a lot of people. This was a mistake. Oh no, it's Obby Creator but with B tools. I remember using these. You can't drag. Alright, I'm gonna make an obby right now. Here we go. Oh, I can't click it because in the... Wait. Going down doesn't work. Oh no. How am I meant to go down? Wait. I can't resize it. What is happening? Okay, everything's broken. Yeah, I should move it down. It's an obby, guys. This is... Oh no, I can move other people. Oh, no, I took his arm. It's all client-sided. You can build only on your client. This is so silly. Alright, I liked it. Thank you. Thank you, Kevin. We enjoyed it. Back to building. What were the things that we had to improve from that session? He captured the flag even when the game had ended. Which doesn't make any sense. So, let me make sure you can't do that. Dominated. I just set... Yeah, that's why. We'll set this to be false. Cool. I just want to captured the red flag. Here I can just do if right, do that. Next I wanted to make sure that the alerts that you get, I think they should actually be at the bottom. Or maybe they should be a bit smaller. Maybe. Be a bit better. Alert frame. Full alert. I think that's fine. Make it a bit higher as well. Yeah, that might look a bit nicer. Blue team. When it says you're on the blue team. Oh no, when it says you're on the red team, it says it in blue. It's annoying. And then also, I think that it should say if you killed somebody, perhaps. Wow, thanks for 100 viewers, guys. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna be ending the stream in like half an hour, by the way. Just letting you know. There was much more to work on this than I guess I realized. Okay. So I think we've got the alert frame. I perhaps also need to add I wanted to say if you've killed somebody or if you are killed by somebody. Sometimes it glitches the run and gun. I'm on mobile. Can you find a way? I don't know. What do you mean it glitches the run and gun? I like that saying, but I don't know what it means. Okay. Just making a little frame down here that is going to tell you uh, when you kill somebody. And maybe I'll stick it on. Maybe I'll put it on. No, I don't know. I'm unsure. What I'm doing. I might make it so that when you die, it just says it in the middle. Because honestly, it's not a horrible idea. It could say like this. It could just say, "You were killed by Wish." Do you know what I mean? Like down here. That could just pop up. So killed text. Why is there UI stroke in it if there's no UI stroke? Weird. Anyone can test it. Yeah, anyone in the Roblox group can test this game. I I think I actually need to do this one a little bit differently. I need to add this into a different UI. Call this build UI. A little script in here that says character. I'm just making this little bit of code here, which is basically going to wait for your player to die. And then after you die, I'm just gonna, I think, I remember correctly, it was like a killed by or something. Yeah, and it's just a name. So local killed by name, just on here. And then I just say if it exists, then parent dot killed text dot text equal you were killed by name. True. There you go. So now, I mean that was really simple, but if someone shoots you and you die, it should pop up. And I'll test that by I'll just write on myself, it'll be easier. I just write on here. Chat, you're gonna kill me. Alright, here we go. You were killed by chat. Brilliant. It will say that, and then when you respawn, doesn't. There we go. That's cool. And I mean, it doesn't say when you kill somebody, but maybe I'll add that some another time. But honestly, I'm pretty happy with this so far. Let's check out the sword fighting game, because I can't really remember if there was anything that I wanted to add. And then we'll end the stream after that, probably. So thank you guys for joining. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Hello! What the heck? This random random crowd of people waiting here. Hello, friends. Alright, I was gonna check out the sword fighting one, so I can't remember if we needed to fix anything or change anything. I'm pretty happy with paintball now. I think I'm pretty happy with sword fighting as well. But let's just. Oh wow, these people have been going. Ow. Oh, I remember this because I have stream on. My internet's kind of bad. So this is the sword fighting section of that game that we were working on. There's two different sections. There's the sword fighting and then there's the normal. On all of these different games, there's a ranked mode that you can unlock in the leaderboard. You go into it and you can. Usually you won't have it. Oh, well that didn't work. Okay, for some reason it didn't work. I don't know. I need to fix that, I guess. Probably add a boing noise as well. Feels like that should go boing. How am I destroying everyone? What is happening? Okay, never mind. I think that it should go boing. Okay, I need to work on this. So when you click ranked mode, basically it should enable these things, but it doesn't seem to be. Bye. But yeah, this is the sword fighting section. So we got a sword fighting part and a paintball part. I think I prefer the paintball part now. I did really like this sword fighting. But yeah, it's like a remake from the old days of Flying on Heights. That was so mean. Well, we knew that was going to happen. Yeah, I should make it go boing, and also I should fix this ranked mode thing. Sure. I play arbitrary to my friends in my private server every time. Yeah, a lot of people do. I was considering making private servers paid. I don't think I will. Sure. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this one. I mean, there's not a lot else to say. The ranks work, it's just that you should be able to go ranked mode, and I think that should go boing. My only feedback is that we need a boing. Also, you should be able to click this and go back, but it doesn't actually work. I don't remember why. Yeah, I'm not sure what that is either. You should be able to click that and it should take you back. So let's fix that, and then I think we're done. Which one do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the paintball or the sword fighting? Also, squished, that is not my fault. That is not my fault. Where's the music? Did we just not have music for a long time? What happened? Okay. Final thing, I want to fix the top bar, because I don't know why it's not working. Should be in here. Let's have a look. I just basically, there needs to be a button in the top that lets you. It works now. Convenient. Very convenient. I also don't like when this happens. I think I just need to search for intro GUI before it changes. But it works when we're in this game, but it doesn't work when we're in the real game. If you add a top-rated leaderboard, it already exists, my friend. It's already a thing. Oh, what the? Hello there. What did I just do? I broke something, that's for sure. There already is a leaderboard, yeah. Great, so I broke this, that's fantastic. Okay, I think I know what's gone wrong here. It's that I need to set this here. I think that will fix our issue. Cool. I don't have a paintball gun anymore. That's right. I love soft tacos. Actually, I prefer soft tacos to crunchy tacos. Is that controversial? Crunchy tacos are just a bit annoying. I don't know if that's really rude. I go to Taco Bell sometimes. What's your favorite, actually that's an interesting question. Guys, what's your favorite, why doesn't my gun show up? What's your favorite fast food restaurant? That's what I'm trying to say. What's your favorite fast food restaurant? Never had any types of tacos? What? Okay. I like a Taco Bell, so I do sometimes eat tacos. You guys like McDonald's? Okay, interesting. McDonald's is like my least favorite. Very controversial. Okay, this is the final time I'm gonna go back into the game. Because I know there's people waiting in there. There's a cult or something. I just want to go into the paintball and check that the back button works. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Hi guys! Hello. That's really funny. It's a cult. Oh gosh, what have I started? I want to check that the back button works. Oh god, I'm being like swarmed. It was like, brother! All hail. Oh my gosh. Right. Oh! Guys, the back button works! Okay, the back button works in paintball. Interesting. But the back button doesn't work in sword fighting? Is that the... Is that what's happening? No, it works now. Okay, I'm just really confused. Well, there you go. What the... This dude's dancing on... It's having a heart attack. I don't know what's going on. Thank you, LSW3N. Is that how I say your name? It's like... Is it Lisbon? Like, what's... How... Help me pronounce that, because I always have to say LSW3ND. Okay, I think everything's good, honestly. This is a pretty solid game at the moment. Yeah, the next game I want to work on, by the way, is going to be here. The next game I'm going to work on, it's weird, I'm going through all of the, like, look at them following me. Look, if I go this way, they'll just... I'm going to go around this, and they're all just going to follow. Look at this. Okay, anyway, we've got a free-for-all, which is sword fighting. We've got to capture the flag, which is paintball. And then here, I was thinking that I would add a... capture the flag. Any of you guys play that old capture the flag game? I don't know if you've heard of it. But I want to work on that. So that will be the next stream. Let me see. I'm going to close this because we're done. Let me see if there's a video of it somewhere, actually. Roblox. King of the Hill. I used to play this as a kid. This thing. Y'all look. In 2014. I used to play this. Oh, it's by Builderman. Really? Did not know that. This was one of the games I used to play. When I first joined Roblox. It looks great. There would be a map, and you just have to stay on top of the hill, I think? Wait. This is not the same game. Hold on, this is not the same game. I think it's this one.
Today I'm taking an in-depth look at
It's this one. Anyone remember this as well? It's Maxed, or whatever his name was. Okay. Not Underground War. No, not Capture the Flag. This is the game that I used to play, I'm pretty sure, as a kid.
Today I'm taking an in-depth look at King of the Hill by Roblox user and avid developer TheGamer101. King of the Hill is a free-for-all style game where players must fight each other to become the king.
Yes. I think this is it.
In King of the Hill, the objective is to find the hill in a chunk of randomly generated terrain and stand ground by fighting off other players for as long as possible. Game modes include free-for-all style as well as team deathmatch. The player or team who clocks the most time on top of the hill with no other enemies present is considered the winner. The location of the hill changes after every 3-minute 20-second round and can be above or below ground or inside buildings. At the time of review, King of the Hill had over 250,000 visits and 88% thumbs up.
Here we
When I
go.
played King of the Hill, when the round started, finding the hill was somewhat difficult, but once players started congregating in a certain area, it was pretty easy to spot. I must say, attempting to fight off enemies from a certain location was very exciting. When everyone was together at once, it got crazy. But being a lower rank, it was easier to storm in and kill off a higher ranking player who is in the middle of fighting someone else. This game is ideal for thrill-seeking players who can double as cold-blooded killers.
There we go.
Keep in mind though,
And that's you guys. Thrill-seeking players who can double as cold-blooded killers. I'm pretty sure that's most people that watch this stream. So this is the game that I want to work on, or at least try and remake. Let me see if it still exists. Does it still exist? It still exists! Alright guys, join me in King of the Hill that has 0 players. I don't know if this will work. This is the game I used to play as a kid. Oh my gosh, I'm about to get so much nostalgia. I don't know if this means anything to you guys. Because it's from... When was this made? This was from 2009. I used to play this in like 2014 or whatever. Alright. Game auto-regenning. The game is starting. It still works. No way. Here we go. We're about to give this game so many players. The Gamer101. I've actually met them. It's a pair of twins. I've met them before in real life. Generating terrain. Here we go. This is what I'm going to try and remake, I think, inside this game. We'll have a King of the Hill game mode. Get ready for a team deathmatch bonus round. Alright. This round is vampires against werewolves. Okay. Let's soak up all the information so we know what's going on. Vampires against werewolves. I want to be a werewolf, please. Is it broken? Feels like it's broken. Oh! Wait. That was such a good round. I really enjoyed that. Wow. Okay, it's a little bit broken, as in the game doesn't start. Oh, that's so sad. I was really looking forward to that. Okay, maybe the second time it will work. Maybe it was just... Oh, it's generating a road network this time. Guys, it's generating buildings. This... Oh, it's Team Deathmatch again. Oh. Ice golems against skeletons. Okay, we're gonna have to find a working version, because I don't remember how this game worked. Wow. Oh, but look, the map spawned. Yeah, look, okay. So there is a map. Like we're gonna have to quickly go upstairs, and it doesn't work, but I want to go and have a look at the map. So, there's an intermission. 15 seconds later, there's a round. When the round starts, I guess you get put on like a... If it's a team deathmatch, I guess, it's some sort of like werewolves versus thing. Oh, look at, there it goes. Oh, we're gonna get to do some network, some generation stuff. Wait! I'm an orc! Look at me! No way! You can't... you can't hit anyone! Okay. Alright, we've got to find the hill. There's no damage in this game, I guess. So, someone already found the hill. Oh no, I think it's down. I think it's underground. Gotta be underground. What? Hello? Well, this is just... Okay. Did I dance clip? Wait. You can dance clip through. Perfect. That's not what they wanted you to do. This is cool, though. The lobby is similar to Natural Disaster Survival. I think this one actually came first. So, you know, maybe Natural Disaster Survivals look like this. Okay, I don't know if I love the classes. I feel like that's a bit unnecessary. Where is the hill? Am I silly? Is it in this building? Oh, it's in this building. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the hill. And you'd have to kill everyone. Okay. Interesting. It doesn't really work. It kinda does. Let me see if there's like a working version, because I really want to try this out. I mean, if there isn't, that's kind of cool, because it means that we make it. What the heck? Why does the climb come up? Guys, look at this. It's because I put the word "the." That's really weird. Look at that, my game comes up. That's a great King of the Hill game. That's so stupid. Let's play this one and just see. I don't think this is going to be anything like what we want. And it's only got 50% rating. And it's full of spam in the description. I bet you it's going to ask me to buy something immediately. I take it back. Oh yeah, you can buy stuff. It only took me about 1 second to find a product. King dies in 6 seconds. What? Why do you have to be up a chicken? What does this have to do with King of the Hill?
Chicken.
Why? Why? I am so confused. Item not permanent. They just had to put there because you know that people are complaining. Item is permanent. How much is it? 5,000? Oh, wait. Okay, that's embarrassing. Ignore that. 4,000. Okay, this game is not good. To be completely honest with you. Cool. What about this one? I have a feeling the one that says free limiteds. Hey King, you dropped this. Okay, that's funny. I hate that I King VIP? No way, that's just what we needed. We just needed VIP. Just needed to add that in, definitely. Was all we needed. King has a ton of health. Okay. Well, anyway, basically this game that we're gonna make, it doesn't exist anymore.
Game, while battling is important, spending the most time on the hill is your top priority. This has been Max Benedict for Game Reviews by Max. Be sure to check out all of my game reviews at youtube.com/Roblox.
There's like a 30-second outro. There is. Okay. What people had to say. What? No, this is the best one. Loaded on my birthday. These are all so old. There's no comments from... Wait, they're all 10 years ago. Epic video? Hi. I think I'm 10 years late. Perfect. Everyone else is just chatting that it's very old. Do a review of Death Run 2. It's epic. I wish I could play that, but whenever I click on play, it takes me to the download Roblox website, so all I can do is buy stuff and look at stuff. I can't play it. Oh no. Could just download Roblox, I don't know. If this game exists from last year, and now you're going to make another review? First comment. Personally, I think the game King Hill is a great game. Oh, look, this is back from when you... Oh, this is nostalgia. Were you guys on Roblox when you had, like, kills on your account? Like, every time you killed someone with a sword, on your profile, it would give you more kills. This guy's saying, cool, I'm sure I'll get many KOs from there. He's saying, like, if I play this game, I can get loads of kills on my account. It would, like, have a total. That's so weird. Forgot about that. I'm gonna like that. You forgot about that. I believe people were doing first 10 years ago. Reckon anyone commented on my comment already?
Today I'm taking...
Oh, good. Like myself. I actually agree. I think trees would fix it. Cool. Well, I think this is the kind of thing I want to work on. But make it better, basically. I don't love the classes. I don't understand why you have to be an orc or a ninja. I think that's a bit strange. But I could probably add different types of swords. Or like different abilities. But I don't think it should change your entire avatar. I think that is a bit strange. Cool. Alright, well, I'm happy with this so far. Let's see how many people are playing the game. If anyone. Three. Awesome. Right. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. I'm going to head off. This was a fun stream. We got a few things done. Lots of viewers, which is very cool. And yeah, next time I'm streaming this game, I might work on that King of the Hill, basically. But if you have any other game ideas, let me know. So. Alright, awesome. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I will see you next time. Au revoir. Au revoir. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you for coming. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Au revoir.